Hi everyone, so for today's vlog, I'm going to show you how I will upgrade my current vlogging camera, which is the Canon G7x. So this is currently my vlogging camera, but I'm having troubles with the audio because this one doesn't have an audio out or audio jack, and this is the only part where the audio is recorded. One way you can upgrade your camera is having a filter here, a wind filter, or you can call it wind muff, which I will do right now. So this is for today's vlog. If you're familiar with Casey Neistat, this is what he did to his camera, which he added a muff to the audio input here, so that the sound is cleaner, or there's lesser noise. So maybe I can show you first how it sounds like when there's like a windy noise or a background noise outside. So yeah, let's emulate that scenario. Right now I'm trying to record in front of a fan. Yeah, I'm not sure if it emulates the windy noise outside, but yeah, this is the closest thing that we can get. Okay, so we're back. The things that we need for this upgrade, first is this microphone wind shield or wind muff. You can buy this at Lazada for around $3. I'll put the link down below so you can see. This one used to be stitched around because this is like a cover for your microphone, but I cut it out so that it lays out flat. Later you'll see why I did that. Next is the double-sided Velcro, and the third item that you need is super glue, or you can use Mighty Bond. Okay, next is your camera here. So you need to get the size on where you need the muff to be in. So once you get the size, so you need to cut it. Like that. Next is you need your muff. Okay, so you need to cut out your muff. Just put a generous amount so that it's sure that it will stick well. You can see this one, I place it on top of the muff. Then this time I'll cut it. Okay, so this time we'll place the Velcro on top of the camera, but make sure first that you won't block the audio receiver here, the holes. So okay, I'll try to avoid those holes. I'll try to start cutting here. See the progress here? You can see. Yeah, I've managed to avoid the holes. Next, so if there's a texture on the surface, it adds more strength to the glue or to the bond. So that's what Casey Neistat did to his gadget. So I think I'm going to do that here as well. So I'm just going to scratch this. Okay, yeah, this one. I just need to make sure that this one's still open. See this one should open still. So okay, this is our finished work, the muff for our mic. So let's test it out and hopefully we get better sound. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now I'm testing in front of a fan, testing the audio and emulating the windy environment. And hopefully this wind muff helps produce a cleaner voice while recording into this kind of environment, which is very windy. And hope you guys can see the difference between the earlier video and this video. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, please let me know your thoughts about this upgrade, if it's helpful for you or not. Okay, see you on my next video. God bless and goodbye.